CRADLER's form follows function to the letter and presents an extremely minimalist design aesthetic. CRADLER's biomimetic design is essentially an articulated exospine balanced on a single leg, resembling a flamingo or a T-Rex skeleton. Its ultralight thin spine and unique joinery facilitate dynamic and modular configurations. CRADLER is easy and convenient to assemble, adjust, disassemble, carry, and stow away. Beyond its utilitarian purpose, CRADLER is also an intriguing art installation, comprised of a constellation of cylindrical elements suspended in space, which appear to morph, merge, and transform as determined by the configuration and the viewing angle. The user experiences a floating sensation and is indeed observed to be levitating inexplicably over the ground. CRADLER also embodies several technological innovations, such as novel 3D printed joinery, composite components, and new applications of conventional materials. CRADLER will be initially presented as a conceptual design art installation, and later on it will be offered as an affordable multi-purpose wellness survival kit. Thank you for watching.